once again, I want to teach you how to use Binance to pay for services on Google or any website you want to buy. If only the site accepts payment from Bitcoin or any uh, cryptocurrency. So it's simple. I have this site I buy services from. So I want this. I come here. I want followers. I'm not buying. I'm just using as demonstration. So I've chose. So I will have to come down and select the type that I want. Then I add to cart. I select the amount I want from 100 to 200 to 300. Then I add it to my cart. They ask for link. I'll put my link. After putting the link, then I'll add it to my cart. So my cart read 1. That means it's not more empty. I'll go there. Then I will say payment. So payment subtotal, everything will be 1.5. So here the site takes web money, Robocasa, Pay, and then crypto as the first option at the top. So now I don't have all this, but I use Binance. So I can be able to pay with my Binance. So how do we do it? I click on it. If you click on it, it will open for you. It has to open. You press the order, you click that other one, then it will open for you. Click the crypto, you come to the down one, then you click the order, then it will proceed to this place. Now they receive USDT. They have they receive USDT, TRX, SMIM, so many and so forth. And in case if you want to use your USDT, Ton, Dodge, and many more. But in this case, USDT is quite simple. So you select your network. And you select your network. With USDT, you have to select this, please. Tron TRC20. It's very simple. With any amount, they only take, I think, $1 or so. It's very, very easy. But with Bitcoins and other things, they take a higher amount. So mostly, most of the size, unless you want to select Bitcoin, I will teach you how to move your currency from USDT to Bitcoin as well. So I will select Tron TRC20. Then they will ask me to click proceed to payment. Then I will come here. So now they are going to give me address. So this is the recipient address. So what I'm going to do is to click here. I'll click this one. They say address copy. So this, you can also highlight it and select, it say share or what. You can click the share, but simply click it here, copy it, simple. So you head down to your Binance, and mind you, they give you from 0 to 19 minutes to make your payment. So you come down here, come to your Binance. This money, it was like some cents. So I left it here for a very long time, and now the small money has generated to $1.3 as interest. So if your money is being put there, they will give you some coins on top. So let's head on to what we are saying. So you go back here to assets. So you say send. Right now you are coming to send money from your Binance USDT. You see here USDT, Bitcoins, you see. So if you put your money here, you can redirect from this USDT to Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin. Then you send it in Bitcoin. But in this case, we are sending it in USDT. So we will highlight it to USDT. And some of the sites to only accept USD. But in this case, the site accepts USDT. So I'll click on send. They say on-chain withdrawal. Or you can, these are also options that have different uses. But we are clicking on the middle one. So then you come, there are options, so you choose, oh, USDT at the top. You see, the link I copied from the other side, I have to paste it at the top. So this is the account I'm sending the money to. So then I will select my network, Tron TRC20. As I said before, you see, every cent or so, they will take $1. But you have to send at least, the sending is known as withdrawal here. You are withdrawing to the other side. It's same as send. But you only have to send from $10 and up. From $1, $2, you can't send. You have to only send from $10 and up. So you click on your Tron TRC20. Then that amount over there was like 1 point something. So you enter your 1.5. But in this case, my money in my USDT is not up to that. So after I'm done with everything, if my money was up to 1.4, or I have to put the 10 and up, and if my money is up to that amount, the withdraw button here will highlight. Then I click on it. So if I click on it, they will simply ask me if the site I'm sending to is correct or not. Then if I say it's correct, then they will prompt me whether it's a fraudulent site or something. Then I'll say no. Then they will proceed. Then I'll send. Then within a few seconds, this site will give me a receipt of payment. So when I come back to the site with this balance, this my wallet will highlight the $1.49 I sent. So it's simple. So if you go to any site and they accept crypto, they accept Binance, they accept all the other currency, just click on it and then use your Binance to make the payment. After you make the payments, it will come. So thank you for watching. I hope you like this, and anything you don't understand, please put it under the comment section. I will highlight it and then do some teachings on it as well. Subscribe and like and share. Thank you.